Hello balloon artists. Today I've got a great tip to help you protect your inflators, your balloon inflators, your balloon pumps when you're storing them in your studio or at your home, or when you're transporting them between jobs if you're needing to use them on site. Hi, I'm Melanie from Balloon Artworks here in Derbyshire in the East Midlands, helping you take your balloon art to the next level. And today I've got a great tip to help you protect your balloon inflators. We spend a lot of money on our balloon inflators. This equipment isn't cheap and we want to keep it for as long as possible. We want to keep it in good working order, and I've got a really simple tip to share with you to help you protect your balloon inflators. I've got several balloon inflators that I use in my business, and I like them all for different reasons, and I've just got two here to show you as an example. I've got the Legenda here, which comes in a nice little carry case, and so does the Twin Air. That comes with its own protective bag. But you'll see that once we put the extension on it, then it doesn't sit so easily in the case. That's poking out. And what you do find is that if you are using this extension, this little plastic tube, over time that will get shorter and shorter and shorter, because it splits as you're putting it on and off this nozzle here. The plastic will split and you will have to cut it down. So I try to minimise the number of times that I take this plastic tube off, and which means storing it like this in my studio. This is a little bit of tubing that is used for insulating pipes, but it's the same kind of foam that is used to make pool noodles. So a pool noodle will do the same, and I just cut a piece down and I've made a little collar for my inflator there, and that just helps protect it a little bit. It just stops it getting knocked a little bit. And even if I didn't have this extension piece on, I would still put this bit of tubing over the top of the nozzle as I'm storing it in the bag. So for the Twin Air, we've got the air outlet here, and we've got the spare nozzles to go on the top. And I do the same with this. I've cut down some more of this foam tubing, and I have sections that I put there, and then I have another section that I put here. And again, I still use the carry case, but I use this tubing just to protect everything whilst it's in the carry case, and because there are other things that go on top. So I just find that is really helping me keep my equipment protected and in good working order for as long as possible. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, this tips video helpful. Remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos, which I publish on Tuesdays, and I'll see you again in the next video.